G'day all. Using Australia's cheapest online stockbroking account, refer to link below, a number of people ask me what stocks I invest in. When I started investing in the Australian stock market 20 years ago, I read newspaper articles, books, and talked to other investors. Being naive and concerned about losing money, I discovered that it takes a lot of time and research to work out which stocks to invest in. And being in the market for an extended period of time would reduce my risk. Therefore, I invested my money into two of Australia's lowest fee, longest running listed investment companies. They are AFIC, Australian Foundation Investment Company, and Argo, both recommended by Scott Pape, the Barefoot Investor, in his book, The Barefoot Investor, The Only Money Guide You Ever Need. Both AFIC and Argo offer a dividend reinvestment plan, which I have taken up to ensure all dividends are automatically reinvested without the cost of stockbroking fees. Not only have I profited on my initial investment, I have also been educated by attending their half-yearly and yearly meetings at different venues around the city. Furthermore, food and refreshments have been provided complimentary. The links below are provided for your review of both companies, AFIC and Argo. Also, I have linked the advantages and disadvantages of dividend reinvestment plan. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.